Very good morning to all my dear students. Dear students, today my topic is Indian Railways. First of all, I'm going to deliver some basic points of Indian railway system. As we all know that the Indian railway network runs in gauges, extending over an area of 63,221 route kilometers. That's the total railway length of India. As we all know, there are three types of gauges in India. That's broad gauge, meter gauge, and narrow gauge. Broad gauge, meter gauge, or we may call it metro gauge, and narrow gauge. The total length of all these gauges is 63,221 kilometers. Among them, broad gauge has a route length of 46,870 kilometers. Meter gauge has a route length of 13,209 kilometers, and narrow gauge has 3,124 kilometers. The distribution of pattern of railway network in the country has been largely influenced by three factors, that is physiography, economy, and administrative factors. The northern plains with rich agricultural resources provided the most favorable condition for their growth. However, the large number of rivers require